In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Noun and its functions. In our previous video, we briefly discussed noun and its kinds. Now here we are going to discuss noun and its functions. Nouns are naming words that indicate a person, place, thing, or idea. In a sentence, noun can function as the subject or the object of a verb or the object of a preposition. A noun can also follow linking verbs, and when they follow linking verb, then we call them predicate nouns or predicative nouns. Noun as the subject of the sentence. The subject of a sentence is the person, place, thing, or idea that is doing or being something. You can find the subject of a sentence if you can find the verb. Ask the question, who or what verbs or verb, and the answer will be the subject. For example, Ali is a good reader. Now in this sentence, if you look at this sentence, is a verb. Now if we ask this verb the question, who, so the answer will be Ali. So this sentence is actually about Ali, and Ali is the subject of this sentence. An example will be, they read aloud. Now in this sentence, read is verb. So if you ask this verb the question, who, the answer will be they. They read aloud. Who read aloud? They read aloud. So they is the subject of the sentence because the sentence is about they. Noun as an object. In a sentence, noun may function as the direct object of a verb, the indirect object of a verb, or it may function as the object of a preposition. Now, how does it function as a direct object in a sentence? So, direct objects are what receive the action of the verb in a sentence or clause. For example, the dog chased the cat. So, in this sentence, the cat is the direct object of the verb chase because this action of chase is received by the dog. So, the dog is the direct object of the verb chase. Noun as an indirect object in a sentence. Indirect object is the person or thing who receives the direct object of the verb. For example, please pass Jeremy your salt. So here in this sentence, Jeremy is indirect object. It's indirect object because the direct object, the salt, is received by this noun, by Jeremy, by this noun Jeremy. So, Jeremy is indirect object because she received the direct object, the salt. Noun is also used as the object of preposition. Nouns are also used after preposition to create prepositional phrases. When a noun is a part of a prepositional phrase, it's known as the object of the preposition. For example, if we say on the table, so on the table is a prepositional phrase, and here table is noun, and this noun functions as the object of preposition on. Another example will be in the market. In the market is a prepositional phrase, and in this prepositional phrase, the market functions as an object of in. So therefore, here this noun is an object of preposition. Predicate nouns. Predicate nouns are nouns that follow linking verbs. They are also called predicative nouns. For example, in the sentence, Ali seems like a real soldier. And this sentence, seems, is linking verb, and this linking verb is followed by noun soldier or noun phrase real soldier. So here, this soldier follows the linking verb seems, and here it functions as a predicate. So soldier here is a predicate noun because it follows the linking verb seems, or soldier here is a predicate noun or predicative noun. Another example is this is a blessing in disguise. In this sentence, is linking verb and a blessing is noun that follows the linking verb is. So a blessing follows the linking verb, and that's why here we call this noun a predicate noun or predicative noun. So whenever a noun follows a linking verb, we call that noun predicative noun or predicate noun. Noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of two or more words that function together as a noun in a sentence. Noun phrases consist of a noun and other words that modify the noun. For example, if we say, I saw a man with a hair, so here in this sentence, a man with a hair is noun phrase. Why is this noun phrase? Because a group of words, it's a group of words without any finite verb in it, and it functions as a noun, so that's why it's a noun phrase. And next is nominalization. So nominalization refers to creating of nouns or formation of nouns. Nouns are created from adjectives and from verbs. Nouns are created or formed from adjectives and verbs. And how do we form nouns from adjectives and verb? It's simple, by putting suffixes. For example, he's a good actor. So here in this sentence, actor is noun, and this noun actor is derived from verb act. Act is actually verb, and you put a suffix or with this verb and it becomes a noun, actor. Now same is a good driver. In this sentence, driver is noun, and this noun driver is actually derived from verb drive. We put suffix er with the verb drive and it becomes noun driver. Another example will be, they do their work with happiness. Now here in this sentence, happiness is noun, and this noun happiness is actually derived from adjective happy. When we put suffix ness with adjective happy, it becomes happiness, it becomes a noun. So we can create nouns from verbs and adjectives by adding suffixes.